To customize notifications pop-up style in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter notifications right here, and then we can go to notifications pop-up style. That way we'll be able to find the brief notifications or detailed notifications. With a brief, you will see a pop-up when there's notification incoming that just shows you a small part of what's contained in that notifications, where in detail you should see a full notification so that you don't need to necessarily swipe it down and read it fully. You will see it in a pop-up, and then you just it will be quicker. You can also add the lightning effects to your notifications just with one of those options right here. That way you will see a certain lightning on the side of the screen when the notification is incoming. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.